चल अब एक काम करते हैं. लेट्स इमेजिन द परफेक्ट स्कूल फॉर मानस where everything that happens is according to you.
पढ़ाई ना हो मस्ती हो पूरा
अच्छा.
दिन.
Just entering your dream school. Okay, now Ayan has just walked in. See it with your eyes, hear the sounds, smell the smells.
It's bigger than the sun. Yeah. My dream school would be like a big school in the shape of half circle. Like yeah. अगर मेरा स्कूल मेरे हिसाब से बनता तो no studies, only pee. Break should be of 22 hours and only talking, nothing else. So in our swimming break we can go down the slide. There's a water park in our school. Every sport is indoor. There are a lot of plants. The green tree is a lot. Houses that are floating in the air and
तो मेरा स्कूल था उसमें एक बिल्डिंग थी जो रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर थी.
there should be all the places like jungle, inside the water, like that.
Different habitats. Huh?
We only have school for 5 hours. Monday is also weekend. I want to have like 1 hour recess.
Yeah, and I wish I have all of my friends there.
Aja, seriously. Come.
There should be curricular, extracurricular activities, less study, and not too much. They should not be giving theories, and there should be practical things.
There would be like more activities in which you could discover your own passion, like drama,
For like swimming and sports, dance, singing. There are subjects of photography also. And there should be classes about money management. At the end, there is a business area that the students learn business, and there's one artistic design area where they learn how to do arts and different kind of arts.
How should be maths? How should be entrepreneurship and dance? I want.
Focused on art and physical activities. There are 5 floors now. The bottommost floor has a football PG. There should be a movie theater.
yeah.
In my school, I want that we can go anywhere we want. And second floor has 2 or 3 tennis courts.
All classes should have ACs, and all classes should have smart boards.
Every class had a carpet and lockers in it, so we didn't have so heavy bags.
My dream school would be where students could express themselves without being judged by the teachers.
And learning the stuff which can help us in the future. That would be the dream school for me. So like socially, it would be nice if the school was like an open and a comfortable place where you can express how you are. Like you can, there will be like a 30-minute session where everybody just comes up and speak about themselves. जैसे अपनी frame stories बोलना, self poetry, self composed poems वगैरह.
You could bring your pets to school, and you could sit with them and learn. Kids should have a better uniform, like made of cotton.
A normal skirt, a shirt, and just something जिसमें हम लोग आराम से बैठ सकते हैं.
The school uniforms are very comfortable. Shoes are very comfortable. Dress of the school should be green.
Green favorite color है?
नहीं,
But अच्छी लगेगी यूनिफॉर्म में.
अरे अलग हो जाएगा ना, मैंने देखा नहीं.
My dream school's dress would be a cute little skirt, not too little, but थोड़ा knees से ऊपर, a nice shirt along with a tie, and then school shoes and long socks. Something that
guys?
actually looks smart.
For guys?
For guys, they could wear pants and shirt and tie. That looks smart.
There's like a cafe here with a personal chef that can make me anything I want.
I want a juice dispenser in front of canteenners.
और ये उठा लो जरा. Go for it. Yes. मजा है? यही तो करने का मन था हमारा.
Can I open my eyes?